Do you know the 4 core skills of language learning? آیا ازانید چوار توانای سەرەکی فێربوونی زمان چین؟ These 4 skills are so important that they should be a part of every language learning program. What are these skills, and are you using all 4 of them as you study the English language? Badas Bebekane, let's get started. The 4 core skills of language learning are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. ئەمانە چوار توانای سەرەکی فێربوونی زمانن. گوێگرتن و قسەکردن و خوێندنەوە و نووسین. 2 of these are called receptive skills. توانای وەرگرتن. Listening and reading. They are called receptive skills because you use them when you are receiving communication effectively. And the other 2 are called productive skills. توانای بەرهەمدەر. Speaking and writing. They are called productive skills because when you are using them, you are producing communication effectively in another language. Okay, but Mamusta, this is very simple. Listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Why is it so important that we know about these 4 core skills? Well, it's important because you need to know clearly what these 4 skills are so that you can make sure that you are including them in your daily learning program. Yes, according to language learning experts, you need all 4 of these skills if you are going to learn English effectively. Think about your current English study. Are you using all 4 of these skills? Really? Or, like most learners, do you find 1 or 2 of these skills more enjoyable than the other ones? Are you maybe ignoring one of these skills? Maybe writing? It's okay. You can tell me because the truth is, all of us have 1 or 2 of these skills that we would prefer to ignore. But all of us need all 4 of them. هر چواریان پێویستە بۆ هەمومان. If you want to add them in over time, here is the order you should use. First, start with listening. This is how children start learning their parents' language with the receptive skill of listening. Next, you should add in speaking. Again, think of how a small child learns to speak before he learns to read. Third, add in reading in your new language. And then fourth, writing your new language. Notice how the receptive skills come first and make you able to do the productive skills. Listening leads to being able to speak, and reading leads to being able to write. Before long, the wise language learner should be using all 4 of these core skills in their language learning program. So, make sure that you are regularly using all 4: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. If you do include all 4, then you are on your way to becoming an effective communicator in English. ماما گیان، اگر ام ویدیو باسود بیت بۆ تۆ، سەری ڤیدیۆکانی ترم کە کە باسی ئامۆژگاریی فێربوونی زمان ئەکەن. If this video is helpful for you, then watch my other videos that talk about tips for learning the English language. زۆر سوپاس و لە خزمەتتان. ماما گیان. Until tomorrow, هەتا سبەینەی. خواحافیز.